Welcome to the financial data extraction platform created by Business Compass LLC. I'll be demoing the features this platform has, and we'll start with the dashboard. You'll see the dashboard gives you an overview of what is happening in the account. You have your open RIDs, any documents that are in the queue, a discrepancies flagged, and a reconciliation rate. We also have a recent activity pane that will let you see recent activities that are happening. So like documents uploaded, statements that get balanced, exports that happen. We also have quick actions so you can jump directly right into the specific features. So we'll start by going to upload. We're going to create a new RID. Give it a RID number and a case level. We'll create the case. We're then going to go and upload some documents. I've uploaded 3 documents for this demo. I'm going to upload 3. Now the documents have been uploaded, we're going to go to the repository. This was the RID we just made. We're going to enable this auto every 5 seconds to refresh the status, and we'll see the documents move through the different statuses. This document was rejected because it was handwritten, so let's go check that real quick. This box gives you information on the handwritten document as to why it was considered handwritten. There's 12 handwritten words, 100% of the document was handwritten. So we'll scroll down to here to the source document pane just to verify, and it looks like it is a handwritten document. So it was flagged correctly. We'll then go back here, and it looks like our 2 documents have been processed. We'll start with the reconciled document just so you can see a view of what a clean document looks like. We have the extracted documents field pane, so this is anything it can extract that is basically like the header or like the important information for the document that's not transactions. You also have a confidence, so Textract will report what its confidence is for the extracted data. And we also have the Textract job ID. So in your AWS account, you can go into it and verify if for whatever reason there's a Textract issue. The reconciliation pane basically gives you the information of the document, so of the transactions of the document. So starting balance, observed ending from the document. Total credits and total debits are populated based on the transaction values. So everything's added up for the credits, everything's added up for the debits, and then ending matches is credits minus debits plus starting balance. And if it matches the observed ending, the document's balanced. You can see it, and here we have our source document view. We see the document. We have our transaction table. We see transaction date, description, debit, credit, amount, balance, and any flags. And you can also click on a transaction to highlight it in the document. And also you can click on a transaction in the document to highlight it in the transaction table. We're now going to go to our flag document and get that reconciled. So here now in the reconciliation pane, there's a lot more information based on the things that are causing issues in the document. So you have mismatches. The endings don't expected ending does not match the observed. We're going to just minimize that for now. We have a balance break. It gives us the 2 transactions. You can click on these to jump right to them. Another balance break. We're just going to minimize that. And now low confidence. Low confidence rules have to be verified by a user. So they have a mark reviewed. We'll just start by clicking on this here and jumping right to it. It highlights it here. It highlights it here. You can see it has a yellow highlight because it's flagged, and it also has the flags in the column. So it looks like Textract extracted $1,867 for the transaction, but it looks like it's actually $18.67. So we're going to go over to the pencil. We're going to edit. We're going to change it to $18.67. And we're going to mark it as reviewed. We have another one to review. So let's just verify 5223. We'll mark that as reviewed. Another low confidence. It's an interest credit. It looks like the interest credit was only 26 cents, but here it shows $26. So we're going to edit. change it to 26 cents, save it, reviewed, and then we have one more column to review. It looks like there's a $12 debit, and that looks correct. Now we're going to scroll back up. It auto balanced, but we're going to just rerun this one more time to verify. It's now reran. The document is marked as reconciled. Now that we've reconciled the two documents, we can go to our reports. Reports Builder gives you a live preview of what the CSV will look like. We're going to specify we want our RID we just did. Now we have our live preview, and you can see it has the two statements in one CSV, so it can be exported for you to do analytics on and other different things you need to do. You can export reconciled documents only or flag transactions only. There's no flag transactions in this case because we reconciled the both documents. You can export as Excel or CSV. So we'll generate an export. And then down here, you'll see the export has been created and it's ready to download. And that is the features of Financial Data Extraction Platform by Business Compass LLC.